Hi, Lucy here. Over the next few weeks, I've asked some of my mates to show you around their backyards. At House of Travel, we've been proudly New Zealand owned for over 30 years, and our team are keen to share their local secrets with you. So let's head to this week's destination.
Welcome to Northland. I'm Stephen Gillingham, owner-operator House of Travel in Whangarei, and I'm here to invite you to come and explore this amazing region. Northlanders, it's a chance to rediscover your history. Go to Waitangi, cross to Russell. Russell is a really quaint place. Make sure if you go there, go and have lunch at the Duke of Marlborough. It's a magical experience, wonderful food. If you're into golf, the Waitangi golf course is New Zealand's most hidden secret.
If you're heading to Cape Reinga, the Te Paki sand dunes are the largest of their kind in the southern hemisphere, and what better way to get down than by boogie board?
There are many other places to see and do, and particularly around this region of Whangarei. Some great culinary experiences to be had down at the quay, and of course if you go to Sibo Cafe you'll get the best coffee experience you could ever wish for. If you're into diving, then 30 minutes away at Tutukaka, go and see the team at Dive Tutukaka. There's an amazing 4 nights marine reserve where you'll get some of the best subtropical diving in the world. Pack up your suitcase, plan a holiday to Northland. You will not be disappointed.